Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Janitor AI error code 404. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. The error comes when users try to create a new bot on the Janitor AI website. Or sometimes the error also comes when users try to access Janitor AI. According to our research, this error seems to be related to a site bug or network-related issue. It may also happen based on the device or connection being used. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close Janitor AI completely and restart your device. After restarting, open the site again and check for the error. If the error still comes, try power cycling your network hardware. Simply turn off your router and modem, then wait for a few seconds, then turn them back on. Once the network is stable, launch the Janitor AI and check if this helps with the error. If the error continues, try switching between mobile hotspot and Wi-Fi. Some users shared that the site doesn't work over their current network, but works fine on another. So try changing the connection and check if the error still comes. If the error doesn't resolve, try using Janitor AI on any other device. If it works there, then the issue might be limited to your current device. At last, if the error still persists, then it's likely a bug on the website, or servers are having issues. In that case, wait till the developers fix the issue. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.